Hello and welcome to Zimstake Media. The Zimbabwe Republic Police have discovered huge quantities of drugs at the Prophetic Healing and Deliverance PhD Ministries premises in Harare, run by its founder Walter Magaya. The drugs include a variety of unregistered medicines, including metronidazole, clotrimazole, acyclovir topical cream, fluconazole tablets, cotrimoxazole pills, miconazole nitrate vaginal cream, COQ10 vascular care, sodium bicarbonate injections, and restorative lip balm. One of Magaya's directors at Yada Hotel, where the drugs were discovered, Donald Makuvaza, appeared before the Harare Magistrate Court and pleaded guilty to charges of possession of unregistered and unapproved complementary medicines. The case has been remanded to March 10 for plea recording. On November 15 last year, detectives from CID headquarters in Harare received a tip-off regarding unregistered and unapproved complementary medicines allegedly stored in one of the hotel's rooms. Upon their arrival, the detectives identified themselves and conducted a thorough search. For more stories, please do like and subscribe at Zimstake Media.